Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a travel agent and I specialize in Disney vacations, but I can help you travel anywhere. And today I'm taking you to a Sandals resort, specifically Sandals Royal Caribbean in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This video is going to be my deep dive into the room that we had, and if you would like to see a tour of the whole resort, I have that as well and I will link it here. Thanks so much for watching and let's take a look at this room. So Sandals rooms are all coded with a bunch of letters and it means a really long title. So I'll put here on the video what this title means. Basically it is a beachfront ocean view balcony room with a soaking tub. And it is club level, which means that you get some club amenities that we will talk about later that you wouldn't get if you're not in a club level room. There's standard level rooms, club level rooms, and butler level rooms. So this is right in the middle with club level. First thing when you walk in is the restroom, and it has this sliding door here. You've got a lovely double sink, plenty of towels. Very nice vanity. You've got some space, antibacterial stuff, hand wipes, and you have some products from the Red Lane Spa, which is the spa on property. Trash can, restroom area here, and then this really large shower. It's got two shower heads. There's the rain shower head and like a rain one, but coming out of the side. And this big window slides open so you can see the water, I guess, which is weird, but there you go. And there's a bench. That is the bathroom. Right across from the restroom, you have the closet. So you've got a safe in here, which would definitely fit a laptop. Automatic light. You've got hangers. There is laundry service, a luggage rack, my luggage. And you've got an ironing board and iron if you want to do that. The floor here is very nice. Easy for sand as well. All right, and then we have a mini bar. Everything in this mini bar is included, and because we are club level, we have some upgraded amenities here at the mini bar. All of these alcohols. Stuff to make your drinks with, and this gets replenished daily. Additionally, some ginger ale, tonic water. There is coffee. There's also a 24-hour coffee bar near the lobby that is included as well, because this is an all-inclusive resort. Here's some, but this is like made in Jamaica. Let's see. Trinidad and Tobago, so Caribbean. And you've got Red Stripe beer, which I do believe is Jamaican. Soda, and some chilled alcohols as well. And again, this is replenished daily and is all included in your stay. And here's a look at the main part of the room. We do have a fan up here. Let's start here. You've got a full-length mirror, which is great for getting ready. You have this dresser area, the TV, all of these drawers open, which is great. Really cute room keys. And then because this is a club level room, you have access to all of these club events that go on during the week that you can RSVP to attend. And this is all of the regular dining information. And you can make your reservations through the club. Now these are all open to everyone else, but this is just like the printout that they gave us for club level. Little weekly planner, that's very cute. And we have access to the concierge because we are club level. This room also came with a private car transfer instead of the bus. That is standard because it is club level. Got a really big TV. There's a king size bed. Got a bench here, really pretty setup. And then this is what opens other way. This is what opens so that you can see into the shower or see out of the shower. You've got a dresser here, storage space here, another drawer, alarm clock, plugs, so regular American plugs, and I believe this is the European style plug, and USB ports. And this turns on this light here, and you've got this little reading light. And over on the other side, same setup but with the phone. So no alarm clock on this side. And there's no European plug on this side. But you've still got these. No underbed storage, but there's plenty of storage in the closet for my suitcases and whatnot. So I think that's plentiful. Got a little, I guess, desk area here. I got a fruit plate, which is my travel agent welcome gift. Also included in this room is room service because it is club level once again. And you've got a little couch over here. And of course, the star of the show is the balcony. So let's go out there. Before we go out on the balcony, there are lots of curtains here. So there's this like sheer but blocking some of the sun curtain. And then there's the full blackout curtains on both sides. Then the doors open on both sides. It's not that hard, I'm just trying to do it one-handed. Doors open, and you can have really, they open even further than that. Really wide space here. All right, when we're out on the balcony, we have the soaking tub. It is huge. Yeah, it's a large soaking tub. You've got that, and you have the curtains here. So if you would like to enjoy the tub with some privacy, you can do that. This is a very large balcony. Table and chairs, so you can enjoy some mealtime out here. And then here is the view. You can see the beach. Now it's not quiet. This particular one is not quiet because the pool is like right through these trees, so you can hear the DJ at the pool. I think that experience would vary based on which room you're in, but I think most of this style of room is in this building on this side. And if you zoom in, you can see the bungalows, the over-the-water bungalows, and Sandals Private Island, which is a part of this resort. So that's the view. You swoop back around, you can see back in the room. That's the room tour of this BCS room, and if you would like to stay in this room at Sandals Royal Caribbean Resort on Montego Bay, Jamaica, or if you would like to stay in a similar one or at any Sandals resort, I would love to be your travel agent. You can contact me on the information on your screen, and I would love to help you out. Thanks for watching.